What if the weakest hand could save the strongest heart? In a busy city, a powerful businessman shouted at his driver, treating him like nothing. Everyone watched in silence. The humble driver stayed quiet, but his eyes were sad. He still drove the man daily, never answering back. Respect is earned, not given, he thought silently. One night, the businessman collapsed on the road with chest pain. Crowds gathered, but no one stepped forward to help. He cried, "Somebody, please save me!" Without hesitation, the driver carried him to the hospital, staying by his side through the night. The businessman woke to see the man he always insulted holding his hand. Tears filled his eyes. "Why would you help me after me cruelty?" The driver replied softly, "Because kindness is me duty, and respect should never depend on money." Moral: from that day, the businessman changed, treating everyone with dignity. Moral: titles and power fade, but respect and kindness last forever.